Hi Subhashri. So where are you? Where are we here?
Resort.
All right. Sony.
Hello.
This is Veena.
Hi, hello everyone.
Say something about this resort. How was the experience?
It was a very pleasant experience, and me and all of my friends had a great time in the Steve Valley Resort. The ambience, the organization by Birds Holiday was wonderful, and the climate, moreover, I'm in completely love with Munnar. Love you, Munnar.
Such
This is
beautiful.
how it
Thank
is.
you, Veena. This is Shrindi.
Hi,
Hi Shrindi. How was your experience? Could you share?
it was very good. So you can see we are like staying in clouds. It's a very good holiday destination in summer. Everyone should come and visit once.
Okay. Thank you so
Very
much,
good.
Shrindi. Any other reviews, guys?
Thank you, Birds Holiday.
Thank you, Munnar.
Thank you. We all like to thank Birds Holiday for a great organization and making our holiday the best.
Yay!
And let's go refer this what is that? Birds Holiday, about Birds Holiday to all my friends,
Yeah.
family and cousins. So thank you, Birds.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.